Is it from the wind from the east, isn't it? Hold on a minute. I might have to move one second to move one of those. Oh, I don't want it to pull the line, I might have to lift it. I can't.
Stop. Maybe if you open the drawer, can you open the drawer?
No, that's the one that's stuck. Right, we have to turn on its side anyway. So we can smooth this out a little bit, put this in some. I'll just get that ripple out and then we're going to measure up.
You see, you might just find now what you've done is good, but now we've got the weight off.
Yeah, I think that's actually done it. Oh no, it's a ripple there.
No, but that takes a while. I think maybe the fact that it had weight on it, it held it.
Yeah.
Right, I need you to go over towards that road. That's 5 inches, just short of.
Right. So we've got 5 inches to play with. So probably 2.5. That's going to be the insulation. So we've got a 2.5 inch gap.
Right. So we'll find out more tomorrow. But as far as I know, these boards that we want to buy, they're either 4x6 or 4x8. So from here to here, 6 foot down is one board, and from here up is going to be another board, but it's going to have to be cut in two down the centre to compensate for this fella.
I realise you don't see what I do on a day-to-day basis. Like in the mornings, I get up about 6 o'clock because Buzz wakes me up because he wants to get out for his wheeze and he wants to get out for, obviously he wants his breakfast. So I'll get up then. I might make myself a coffee and have some breakfast. I'm going to light the range, get the house warm, then go out and do the horses. So this is just like the start of the day. I think there's a forestry truck going past the house now. They're always up early anyway. So lighting the range. It's a dirty old job, but someone's got to do it. Actually, it makes me cough. Oh, my trusty helper's here, Buzz. Yeah. To get the sticks out the shed. 3 of them should do it. Importantly, fire lighters. Oh, what are you in gym for now, Buzz? There's no glamour in this. Right, so we'll leave this open. We've left the chimney open here because we don't want to heat this up yet until it gets lit. And this will stay open. So if we're going to be burning more timber, it'd be great because we've got lots of timber to be cutting. I know, Buzz, I'm drinking my coffee. Yes, he's carrying my shoe around with him from me mucking out shoe. Yeah, because he wants me to go out. So that's the range. Oh, God, Buzz, be careful. No, that's it now. Stop. Right, so that's the range lit. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to open up the back here so it starts getting warm in here. I'll just pull that to for a minute, wait till it really flares up, and then I'll close the window. And Buzz is impatient. He's not letting me finish my coffee. No, that's what I mean. Not letting me finish my coffee. I've got to finish my coffee. Right, will the ski pants fit over my trousers and that? Let's see. I don't know where you put my other boot, Buzz. We're going to stay nice and warm, aren't we? Yeah. Are you sneezing? Oh, God bless you. Not great. Look at that. Not too bad. Cracky. The snug. At least they fit. I bought them 16 years ago at Best Buy. Once to get me shoe out of the bed. Right, get me other shoe. Buzz always goes mad when I get my coat on. So he's outside waiting. Yeah, because he just goes crazy. Come on. Yeah, that's Buzz. So we're going up to do the horses. Come on, Buzz, let's go. Well, it didn't freeze anyway. Yeah, it's cold though. It feels cold. Let's turn the lights on. Now, good morning all. How are you, Sid? You okay? Hiya, Rosa. Hello, Dunya. Hello, Shadow. Hello, Calm. Let's open the doors. Made those. Those are the horseshoes of the horses we've had over the years. Troy, Calm, Lady, and Lucky. Now, Sid. Feeling quite peckish myself now. Right, let's get you all done so I can get my breakfast. I'm just going to let a couple of the big uns out, just so they can stretch the legs for a couple of hours. Buzz, stop spinning. Right, come. Move out the way. Come on, over here. Buzz. Come on, come. There we go. Oh, come, you nearly bumped me over. I think it's starting to rain. Right, Sid, you're next. Stay. Stay. Right, Sid. Good boy. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, they won't be out too long if that's the case. Oh, Missy. Yeah, hello. You're a good girl, aren't you? You bet you can't wait for the summer. And never did get to groom you, did I? Got to trim you up yet. Right. Too many jobs. Not enough time. I know. Right, let me get in there. Right, you go on in. Good girl. Now. What? Oh, you did good girl. Look at the knots. Let's get you brushed and groomed because you're a show pony. You're not winning any beauty pageants looking like that, will you? No. What to do you up? I know. I know, I can see you. You're gonna try and nibble me, are you? Hey, Missy. You want your breakfast, that's what you want, don't you? Buzz, you stay there. Stay. Rosa, mind yourself. Right, let's stay there, Buzz. Right. Good boy. Right, Rosa. Come on. Good. That is good hay, isn't it? Let's get your hard feed. No, you stay there. You stay there, good girl. Good girl. Eh? Yes, there's your hard feed, missus. That's you done. Now, Dunya, it's your turn. Let's get you sorted out. Don't be pushing your bucket off the door. Right, Dunya, you move over. Come on, you move over. Go on, keep going. Go on, good boy. Get this sorted. You stay there, Buzz. You stay there, Dunya. Go on, you back up. Back up, good boy. Right, let's get your hay net. Don't you be going anywhere. You stay there. Stay. Good boy. Now, Dunya has haylage because he has allergies like Comet. Let's put that there a second. You can't eat that, mister. Make you ill. Feeding for the horses. It's Monday. The mart should be on for the hay. So I'm going to have a word with Vincent. I know he's got other plans, but we're going to have to get it all in because I think the weather's meant to turn and we want to get everything ready. Plus, we're running out of haylage. We're on the last bale. And we're starting to run out of, well, we've got hay, but we'll be out of it next week. So I'd rather get it in and have it in than wait till next week and be panicking. Dunya, there's yours now. Good boy. The animals come first. Now, Shadow, it's your turn. It is. Shadow's a stallion. He's a Falabella, where Dunya is a quarter American horse miniature, and this fella's a Falabella. I can breed from Shadow, but at this moment in time, I'm not going to do that. See, like Dunya, you see, hear him coughing. It just gets caught in his throat. Sometimes I damp the hard feed down, but it doesn't make any difference. He still coughs. You stay there, Buzz. It's like navigating, like children. No, you go on in. Go on, back up. Shadow, go on, back up. Go on, you go over there. Good boy. You have to wait. I'll have yours in a minute. You have to be patient, Shadow. You've been patient enough, yeah. There we go. Now, Shadow, there's your hay. That'll keep you busy for a while, mister, won't it? Yeah. That's him done. I'm just going to muck out the two stables because the other two fellas are going to want to come back in shortly. And then I've got the other side to do, two on that side. It gets heavier, the barra. Down to comes. That's Sid sorted. Check the drinkers. Yeah. They're clean. You have to keep checking the drinkers because they can get dirty if they're eating hay and then going to the drinker and they're dropping hay in the drinker. As you can imagine, it would just rot. Schnivels. I used to own, well, he was an ex-race horse called Ozzy. He was my first ever horse. He was about, 16 too. I think he was. A beautiful horse. He was a character in himself. We'd go off on hacks. And I remember times when I used to go off on hacks with my friend. We'd have some hairy moments. There was one time she had a pacer. He was a carriage horse and he could only pace, so he couldn't trot. So when he paced, it's faster than the trot, the way the legs go for pacing. And we used to have to go into a bit of a canter. So if I was on Con, I'd be in a good canter. If it was on Aussie, I'd be gone. With the next race horse, you can imagine, vroom, the farrier used to say to me that I used to have in them days, because the shoes would be that worn out, there wouldn't be much left of them. Be wondering what I was doing. Right, fellas, you're next. These two will be acting up, Jack and Coco. They're get your foot out of it. Go on. They're crying out loud. I wanted to separate a stable for these two, but it's like that with all the jobs. No. See them it's there. This could be fun and games. And Jack's the instigator. Yeah, this little one, Jack, he's a full-bred Shetland. Coco is, I don't know what he is. He's probably part Shetland. I don't know what else is in his blood, but he was saved. He was saved at the mart by my friend from going to the horse factory. So I took him on. So it's good to do something like that. So yeah, so he had a happy ending. He's been with me now donkey years. It's just a companion pony. Aren't you, Coco? Hey, you're a companion pony, aren't you? When the horses are out in the field and if one has to be out on his own, he's got a companion. Yeah. So, yeah, it's sad. You can't save all the animals, all the horses, but at least I managed to save one. Yeah. Right. Never, Jack, see what I mean? Look, stop it. He's there. I'll come back with your hard feed. Don't you be moving all that muck around, Coco. Buzz, don't you be messing. Right, oh, I knew you'd move it. Come on, over there. Jack, over here. Jack. Now I've got to put it back again. Right, get them to some hay. This is the last of the hay, and I've got no haylage left. So that's the next job. Right. The next job of the day now. We've got the trailer on. It's freezing. We're going up to get hard feed and a large square bale of hay. That's why we've got the trailer on. So we'll see you shortly when we get there. So we're about to get our coffin bale. I was just laughing with Leslie's wife. I never realised it's a large blooming coffin then, isn't it? Have you seen this? Oh, they've got plenty in. Oh, we can come down next week and get another one. Oh, is that? That's our coffin bales. Normally we get, there's two there, we've had to buy two. Normally we get a bigger one than that one. we've just come away from where we've got the hay and the animal feed, so we're just on the way to BMG in Bundoran. There's Ben Bulben. We're going up here today to price up and to look at the insulation for the attic space above the in the two lofts and stables. So we're going to see how much it's going to cost us, what we can get and what we can order today. So the place we're going to is
BMG back in Leitrim.
Yeah, back in Leitrim. It's funny the counties, the way the counties are. We've got the sea over there to the left. It's beautiful. The scenery, absolutely gorgeous.
And Leitrim has the smallest coastline in the country.
Never knew that. Interesting fact. Smallest coastline. That's it.
That's it. Because we'll be going into Donegal very soon, and we're just after leaving Sligo, so Leitrim is a very small.
So at least we can say we've got a beach in Leitrim.
We have.
Yeah, that's it. We might have to go down there one day and just
We'll take you one day, all of you.
Yeah, we've got all our materials from here over the years, and they've done us some good deals. Now we're just coming out. We're just coming out of BMG Homevalue, and it is good value. Got a good deal, so we've got everything we need to finish the installation of the lofts. So we've gone for, what size did we go for, Vincent?
50 mil.
50 mil insulation, and I've got the silver tape as well, but I might have to go back and get more, so I'm just going to see how that goes first, what I've got. And the silver tape, I think, was $12.99 a roll, wasn't it? Something like that.
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
So I've got 5 of them, and I'll just go back and get more as and when I need it before we box it all in. So we've got all the wood for boxing it all in as well. So we're delighted. So we're heading home now with the hay. They were very good, very efficient. Gave us a quote for 2 different thicknesses, and there was only 200 in the difference for the thicker thickness. So we went with that. So we're pleased with that. They always do you a good deal when you're buying from there. They'll always they're very good that way, haven't they, over the years?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
So we're going to go home and we'll have a cup of tea. And maybe a sandwich or something before we even attempt to start taking the hard feed and the hay off the trailer. And the day will be gone then. So the day will be nearly over. Oh, that's what I mean. A day in the life. It's a lot, isn't it? And I don't film it all what we do in the day, but I've given you a bit of a snippet of what we do, like doing the horses, getting Buzz up and doing the horses. Yeah, so that's all. So I'll see you when we get back home.
I'm going to try and stand that up.
Right, okay.
And then you might be able to get the trolley
Buzz,
underneath
move.
it. We'll see.
Have you got it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, can we push? Make sure Roland rat doesn't get in it.
Oh, Sean the sheep, Billy to go.
Alright, oh yeah, the goats. I want to say thank you to Sebastian at BMG Hardware and DIY. It was great help today. Bought the battens to do the shed that got damaged. out there in the storm from Storm Eowyn. Or Eowyn, I think that's how you pronounce it. Also got the foiled insulation for the ceiling of those 2 attic spaces. That's what we've got coming this week. So we've had a busy day sorting everything out, as you could see on the video. I've got like chicken on the go. So I've made like chicken breasts, fry them both sides, and I'll pop them in the air fryer. Then I'll make a sauce out of the juices that's left. Right then, let's get the lights on, Buzz. We'll start finishing up for the evening. Get the horses fed. Now, get you all fed and sorted. Hey, yeah, dinner time. Or tea time, I should say. Yeah, see that here. Oh, it's bitter cold. It's going to get colder. Whoa. You? Oh, Sid's so noisy. Now, yes, I know. I can feel you nudging me. Good lad. Now, let me get in. You stay there, Buzz. Yeah, the head out. Go on, you go in. Not you. Right, Mr. Shadow, you move over. Oh, go on, move over. You're the best boy. Hey, you're the best boy. Such a handsome boy, aren't you? I see you. Can I have it? Let's get you sorted out, missus. Right, Buzz, stay there. Now, Rosa, where's your bucket? Oh, your bucket went outside, isn't it? Right. Got the hard feed for them. Now, come, there you go. Right, Shadow. Dunya, you in that cough. Hey, every time you eat. Your turn. Watch your head. That's you sorted. And the last scoop, which you don't have to measure, is yours. Right, out of it now. You're messing about. There's always another job to be doing. Oh, for Christ, it's just broke, it's just knackered. Right. Right, used to. That's the door handle. It's another job for tomorrow. Vincent will be pleased. It's not ideal, but I've got a handle with a paintbrush. I can wedge it, so that'll do. Last job of the day. Bring in the dirty towels from the salon. I'll leave them in here and I'll wash them in the morning. Make sure everything's locked up for the night. One final check for the horses. Yeah, all doors are locked and secure. They're fine. Them done till the morning. To the wheelbarrow. Onto the muck heap.